And in primary school, I had this one kid that was faster than me when I was younger.
How does it feel? How does it feel? Do you like wake up every morning and you're like, "Ah, I'm awesome, you know?
For me, it was like that. You know what I
Mm.
mean? It's always good. It's something that I really enjoy. You know what I
Mm.
mean? Especially when I'm around my friends. You know what I mean? And they start talking crap. You know what I mean? You know, you have friends that try to
Yeah,
talk. I'm like, yo, remember I'm the fastest man in the world, so just be cool.
just
You
chill.
know what I mean? Just be cool. Just chill. You know what I mean? So I use it more on my friends than anybody else.
Okay. Yeah, I know that feeling. Even me, like my friends, they still just kind of, they disrespect me. And I'm like, yo, hold up.
Exactly.
I'm a very fast rising internet comedian. So put respect
Exactly.
on my name. Yeah.
Put those.
It's so amazing. How did you get into it?
For me, surprisingly, cricket was my thing. You know what I mean? I was always a cricket fan because of my
Hmm.
dad, and I started playing cricket, and I was just good, but I was a fast bowler, so I always running. And one day, my coach just looked at me and went, "You know what? You should try running." I was like, "All right, cool." I did it, but it was just for
Hmm.
fun. And in primary school, I had this one kid that was faster than me when I was younger, and I remember my same cricket coach said, "Listen to me. If you win, I'll give you a box lunch." And for me as a kid, a box lunch was the biggest thing. I was like, okay, okay, you
Yeah.
know what I mean? And I won and I got the box lunch. And then I kind of just continued running and I was just really good at it. So I continued until
Mm.
I got to the right
Until you
level.
got to the top, until you became the Usain
Yeah,
Bolt. Okay. So is Bolt your real name or is it just like a big coincidence?
that is my real name. For the first couple of years when I became everybody felt like it was just a nickname that
Yeah.
people call me. And I was like, no, that's actually my real name. And they were like, no. I was like, yes. They're like, you're lucky. You know what I mean? So it was something that everybody always asked me that question because they could not
I
believe.
can't. It's insane
Yeah.
for me. And you said you were into cricket, but I know you also
Yeah.
wanted to get into soccer. I know even now you're good at it. But how did
Yeah.
that go?
It was an
Mm.
experience, you know what I mean? I really enjoyed it.
Mm.
And I think if I made a decision to go to Australia to play because I wanted to get away from the media. Because I know the media was going to really follow my progress and I didn't want that extra
Mhm.
pressure. You know what I mean? So I went to Australia, but it didn't work out because it wasn't as smooth and the quality of football down there is not the
Mm.
same. So I felt like if I'd stayed in Europe or went to the States or something, it would have been much better. But after I went and I did it, I was satisfied. I was happy that I actually got a chance. And so I just decided, you know what? I tried it. It was fun, but I don't want to do too much work. I just came back. I enjoyed it though. It was a lot of fun.
Okay. And leaving things, how is it, just kind of leaving competitive running and just being like, okay, now it's
It's
time
actually a
and
lot of fun. You
bye
know what I mean?
guys.
Just not doing anything. I'm still in my PJs, in my pajamas. You know what I mean? I woke up, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna change, but then I was like, nah, I'm not gonna change. So for me, I've enjoyed it. I still do a lot of work, but when I get the chance, now I can relax. I don't have to get up every day and train, and just at this high intensity level. So
Mm.
it's been relaxing. But I've been putting on weight, so that's not cool. But it's
Yeah.
just one of those things.
What, dude? Same. Like, you okay? Me too. So we're good. So meeting you was so
Yeah,
amazing. I loved
it
doing
was
this
a
so
pleasure
much.
also.
Thank you so much for
Listen,
coming.
yeah, keep doing what you're doing, and I'll be
Yeah,
watching.
I
All
will.
right,
All
all
right.
right, cool.